2 on the top. So literally lay that on, marking holes. That beam is ready to rock and roll. Right, what's happening, guys? We're back over Wickford on this extension project. We've got another knock through video for you, so some more structural work, some more steel work, some more propping. This steel beam is going to be sunk flush in the ceiling, same as the last video. So let's take you in and show you what we're doing.
So you need 4 in total?
Yeah, just right. So the back of the property is coming out. So this wall, that wall, and this one. So we're all safely supported now on the inside. Generator, courtesy of Mark 1 Hire in Basildon. 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 breaker. We're using the TE500. This thing's an absolute beast. It's like a little pocket rocket. So we're going to do this size, that's a single skin, see how that comes down. Check the props, little test run, and then we'll just work our way through. As just a recap from yesterday, temporary propping went in place, as you saw. We had a little go. This section here was single skin, so we had a little test run because we started late. By the time we got propped and set up and whatever, and checked and double checked, so we took down the little cupboard there, the little flat roof, and come through there just to make sure everything's all right, ready to go for today. So literally straight in today. I've had a couple of meetings this morning with who have I had? I had to pop to another job, shoot over to Ramsden, sort out a tower for the renderer. Window guy's been out, window and door guy's been out to survey, so we get them ordered. That'd be good. And the plasterer, he's been out as well. So bit of a later one this morning. A cup of coffee time. After tea break we'll crack on, but it's coming down as to be expected really. There's no weight bearing on that anymore because the new is on our new sort of temporary dwarf wall inside. The hardest bit about that was getting that lintel out, which was a little bit heavy, so we'll get it all down to sort of head height off the trestles, work our way along, take it all out, make sure it's all nice and solid, check them again, and then we'll have a clear up, and then it'll be the bottom half. That is us for today. So back in Monday, we'll get the rest of that wall down, get the rest of the rubble out. Right, what's happening? We are back over the rear extension project, picking up where we left off with these steels on Friday. This knock through, structural knock through at the back, where we're sinking the RSJs flush in the ceiling and roof void. So the rest of the walls come out. We had about 4 or 5 courses to take down. That's all been cleared. We lost that little nib there because we've got a steel post going in, so we just exposed that and just to get the height of that post, confirm that. I'm just coming through, cutting the bird's mouths now. Oh, I missed one there. So how we worked that out was the depth. This is our finished height, our ceiling height, so we don't want to come any lower than that. So we've got a 200mm is the top of our beam. So we did 200mm up, and then we worked it along until we had a third of the rafter taken out. So that's where that was. Put the laser on it in the loft, both ends. Checked it all, it's all good. We've actually gone 10mm, so we'll give ourselves a little bit of play. So happy days. I'm just coming through now with the resit. That's the weapon of choice. Seems to be getting through. It's a little bit awkward in there. Can't get the jiggy in. So that is what I'm using.
Joey said his one word weekend.
What's happening, guys? Fresh and cold one this morning over our rear extension in Essex. So big day today. The steels are on site, all the timbers here for the blocking. We've got the bolts, chem fix and all that, so we're all ready to go. Just doing the last few little bits. Genies have been dropped off by Mark 1 hire. Chris is just breaking out the last little bit for that post, and then we get the steels round, get them all bolted up, get all the timbers attached to it. Same sort of thing as before, guys. So you got 6x2 on the top. So literally lay that on, mark your holes, spin it over, drill them out, and then we get this one bolted first. And then it's the same size as the one we had the other day. So Chris will cut some 100mm off the CLS, which is 38mm. For both sides for a packer, and then we'll put a 5x2 either side this time, and then that will get us nicely webbed out to pick up our joists. This side it's going to be, where's my tape? I ain't got one. It's probably about right there, 150, 200. Yeah, we've got 200mm flat roof joist going there, so I thought we was going to have to notch the top of it out, but that should sit on there lovely. And then I'll fold the straps over, pin them on the top. Job's a good one. That's going to get a mention. All yours lined up, yeah?
These blocks.
Yeah, that's right. Ah, make love.
Thank you, guys. That's alright, this one. Because it goes so far in, it just falls off. Go all the way.
How deep is your that beam is ready to rock and roll. So what we do, we drive the nuts in and then cut them off with a grinder, just in case it clashes with any of your joists. Better to do it now, out of the way, rather than trying to piss around when it's up on there.
Freezes rice.
Guys, we are done for the day. It's about 4:30, so it was a bit of a manic one really, but we've had a good day. All that's left to do now is just put the level on it, check everything's plumb, get some fixings in the wall, fixings in the base plates, and tighten up the top plates. But there you have it, it's all in, all nice and tight under the bird's mouths, all nice and tight on the ceiling, ready for hangers. So tomorrow we'll get the hangers on, plumb all these up, Ken fix the bottoms, and then we can remove all of the props and have a good clear up. So I'll catch you tomorrow and we'll finish off this video. Yeah. Well, I'm just about to knock up the non-shrink grout for underneath the steel plates. So I'm just gonna, it says 4.5 litres per bag, but I've got a couple of litres in there, maybe 1.5 litres. I don't need that much, so half a bucket or so I need. I haven't got a proper mixer, so I've got a bit of a makeshift one on the go on the impact driver. Not ideal, but needs, must and all that. Right, that's it from us, guys. That completes the video, this structural steel video. RSJ's sunk in the ceiling. See you on the next one.